Alright, this is the blizzard of 2010. In Virginia, near Washington, D.C., there is a lot of snow. And it's still coming down, 2 inches an hour. I mean, yesterday felt pretty light. Overnight it must have fallen pretty dang fast because there was definitely not this much on this car. My dad used this truck yesterday to go grocery shopping. Now we can't even get in the truck. It's pretty crazy. It's pretty damn cold too. Don't know if you can see how fast the snow's falling, but it's coming down rather fast. So fast that it's kind of almost going horizontally. Neighbor's house. Another neighbor's house. See if you can see across the street. There you go, now you can see the snow.